Hello friends, how are you? Hope all will be fine. Today we have Arcadian Wi-Fi 6 router and we're gonna show you live speed test, and we have 750 MB connection. So friends, we are going on mobile screen and show you through Ookla speed test how much speed we are getting in this Arcadian router. So friend, you can see on Ookla speed test. Now we run. Always use Ookla speed test, don't use other speed test, because Ookla is the main, and all speed test which is different brands, they are taking lessons from Ookla. So we are getting 823 Mbps on this router and upload 359 Mbps. If anyone want the same router free of cost, so they can apply for eLife Ultra package. If anyone having eLife Ultra package, so anyone want eLife Ultra package, they can apply and they get free of cost this router. For more informative video, please subscribe our channel and like and share with your friends also. In next video we will show you 1G connection speed test. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.